Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last video we talked about how to search for a given value in a given circular double linked list. Hope the concept was clear. Now in this video let's try to understand how to delete a node from a circular double linked list. So if we remember from the last three types of linked list, we had exact same cases, that is delete the first node, delete the last node, delete any other node apart from first and last. So similarly, in case of circular double linked list, we will have the same three cases. So let's first understand the first case, which is delete first node. So let's say this is our given circular double linked list and we want to delete the first node, which is node 1. So how we should do it? So the answer is very simple. All that we have to do is, first of all, we have to update the last node's next reference, and now it should be pointing to node 2. So we'll put 111 here. So this will destroy this connection and create a connection between node 4 and node 2. Now the second step is, we have to destroy this connection between head node 1 and establish a new connection between head and node 2. So how do we do that? We update the address of node 2 here. So we put 111 here. Now the last step is, we have to update the previous reference of node 2. So currently it is pointing to node 1. But now it should be pointing to node 4. And why is that? Because node 2 now will be the first node in this list. And as we already know, the first node should always be referring to the last node. So we need a link between node 2 and node 4. So for that we have to update here. We put 333 here. So this creates a link between node 2 and node 4. So now as we can see, node 2 is not being pointed by any reference anymore. So head is disconnected and node 4 is also disconnected. Similarly, node 2, this connection is also disconnected. So node 1 automatically gets eligible for garbage collection. So system will automatically delete it. Now let's take one corner case where node 1 is the only node in this list and we want to delete it. Then what happens? So that means is node 2 is not there, node 3 is not there, node 4 is not there. And since this is a circular double linked list, this will be pointing to itself and this reference again will be pointing to itself. Head as usual will be pointing to node 1 and tail will also be pointing to node 1. So we'll have 001 here. Now how to deal with this scenario? So in this case we have to do some steps. That is, so first we have to make sure that the next reference is made as null. Similarly, the previous reference is also made as null. Why do we need to do that? Because if we have a self loop here or if we have a self loop here, garbage collector will not be able to delete this node, because in that case there is a self loop and garbage collector will not delete it. So we have to make both of this reference as null. Now the second step is, we have to make head as well as tail, both of them null. So once that is done, this connection gets disconnected, this connection gets disconnected. So now node 1 is not being pointed by any reference. So garbage collector can safely delete it. So this is how we delete the first node of a circular double linked list. Fine. Now let's see how to delete the last node in the list. So the steps are very simple. all that we have to do is first update tail pointer. So tail pointer right now is pointing to node 4, and incidentally node 4 is the one that we want to delete. So first what we do is we update tail, and it should now be pointing to the second last node, which is 222. So this will disconnect this connection and create a connection between tail and node 3. Now the next step is we want to disconnect node 3 and node 4. So for that we have to update the next reference of node 3 and make it 001. Now what is 001? It is the address of node 1. So this will automatically disconnect node 3, 4 and create a link between node 3 and node 1. Now the last step is we have to update the first node. Remember that first node always points to the last node of the list. So right now the last node is 222. So we have to update here, make it 222. So this will disconnect this connection and establish a connection between node 1 and node 3. So now node 4 is not being pointed by any of the reference variables anymore. Hence it gets eligible for garbage collection and automatically gets deleted. Now let's see how we can delete a node which is not first or last node. So let's say if we want to delete node 3, then how do we do it? So the idea is very simple. We first create a loop starting from node number 1, keep traversing towards right till we reach a node which is just before the node that we want to delete. So right now we want to delete node 3. So node 2 is the node which is just before node 3. Now all that we have to do is we have to establish a connection between node 2 and node 4. Now how do we do that? We simply update the next reference of node 2 and make it 333, which is the address of node 4. So now we have a direct connection between node 2 and node 4. It also disconnects node 2 and node 3. Now the next step is we update the previous reference of node 4, make it 111, which is the address of node 2. So this will create a connection between node 4 and node 2. This will also disconnect node 4 and node 3. So now node 3 is not being pointed by any reference variables. So it will be eligible for garbage collection and system will be able to delete it. So this is how we delete a node which is neither first or last node in the linked list. Fine. So I hope you have understood the entire concept. In the next video, let's see how does the algorithm of this operation looks like. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.